Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's gonna be something cute, which you guys can see. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. It's on Friday, and if you guys want to look cute for your mans or your girlfriend or for yourself, this is the video for you. If you guys want to see how I created this look, continue watching, and yeah, let's get to it.
The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun going down, my intention.
Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows, and even as fuck, they're sisters, not twins, I'm going to be using the LA Pro concealer.
Make you feel like a real man, you know it, babe. Sometimes it's scared of you, I love you. I just wanna get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody.
The palette I'm gonna be using is the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star.
And take the pain away. Get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. Yeah. Now it's getting cold, I want someone to hold, yeah. Wishing you were here, sat at my feet. The moon is going up, I'm going to the club. Oh, it's time to let go, can you feel the tempo? I just wanna get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. Get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. You're gone, I spend my nights all alone here. Wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun going down, my intentions are mild. You know it, babe, I'm a dangerous woman, but I just wanna make you feel like a real man. You know it, babe, sometimes it's scared of you, I love you. I just wanna get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away. Get at your feelings and take the pain away. Listen to melody and take the pain away. And take the pain away.
Okay guys, so it turned out my lashes were backwards, you know, because sometimes what I like to do is I take my lashes off and I throw it on the desk and then I go to sleep or whatever. I take a nap. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my face, and then I'm going to go back in with my eyes to finish the look. So for my face, I'm going to use my No Pore Blend Primer. Now on top of that, I'm going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Primer Set and Refresh water thingy. So I got a new foundation because the one that I had before was not it. Foundation was too light for me. It wasn't my right shade. So I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in the shade of 305. I am actually in love with this foundation, but the only bad thing is that it leaves my face a little bit oily. But other than that, this foundation works like wonders for me.
Nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun going down, my intentions are mild.
Gonna be using my Huda Beauty Banana Breast Setting Powder. Now that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun going down, my intentions are mild. Now for lips. I'm gonna be doing like a pinkish nudie, you know, type of look. So let's see how that looks. do this for me, bitch.
into the club. Oh, it's time to let go.
So guys, this is the finishing look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and since you're already here, you might as well subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.